Today, I'm going to be talking about the benefits of Expensify. I'm a big fan of Expensify, and I think it's a great tool for anyone who needs to track their expenses. Have you ever been in a situation where you've spent money on business expenses and then had to wait weeks or even months to get reimbursed? It's a frustrating experience, and it can make it difficult to keep track of your finances. Expensify is a cloud-based expense management platform that makes it easy to track your expenses and get reimbursed quickly. With Expensify, you can simply take a picture of your receipt and upload it to the app. Expensify will then automatically extract the relevant information, such as the date, amount, and vendor. You can also add notes and tags to your receipts to help you stay organized. Benefits of Expensify. There are a number of benefits to using Expensify, including save time. Expensify automates the process of tracking and reimbursing expenses, so you can spend less time on paperwork and more time on your business. Get reimbursed quickly. With Expensify, you can get reimbursed for your expenses in as little as 24 hours. Easy to use. Expensify is a user-friendly platform that's easy to learn and use. Affordable. Expensify offers a variety of pricing plans to meet your needs. Secure. Expensify uses bank-grade security to protect your data. Additional tips. In addition to the benefits listed above, Expensify also offers a number of other features, such as integrations with other tools. Expensify integrates with a number of other popular tools, such as QuickBooks, Salesforce, and Xero. Customizable reports. Expensify allows you to create custom reports to track your expenses in the way that's best for you. Mobile app. Expensify has a mobile app that makes it easy to track your expenses on the go. Overall, I think Expensify is a great tool for anyone who needs to track their expenses. It's easy to use, affordable, and secure. With that said, thanks for watching.